What up? What up, everybody? Let's see here. I have a plane that I was going to unbox that I have gotten from General Hobby. If anybody's been there, they got all kinds of different planes, foam and balsa, really big balsa plane. And I wanted to get a plane. Oh, if I can get it. Maybe I can get it out here. I wanted to get at least one balsa plane. So I ordered the extra 330, which is 11 70mm balsa plane. Check mark, ready to fly, but it's not. It's just a almost ready to fly. So if you ever order anything from General Hobby, they have a couple of smaller planes. They got some good deals on planes. And this comes from, made by EX Hobbies. I don't even know who that is. But I guess they make balsa planes. So here I have my stickers. I have to really look because I gotta see what stickers I got. That just looks like a clear plastic. This says extra on it. Can you see it? It says extra. I don't know if you can see it. And then I got red. And it has the 330 SC. See, I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it says. It says 330 SC on it. And then we got the cone. This is the cone for it. This is the elevator and rudder. So the only thing holding this elevator on is this tape that they have on here. So it's actually the same. Sounds like one of those drums. I guess I have to use paper hinges. So I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna put it back. Boy, that is really fragile. And then you got the wing. The beautiful wing. Maybe they hold on. There's a hole right there, so maybe that's how you put the spar in and then you screw the wing on. So all the surfaces have to be paper hinged. They didn't give me any paper. I don't know if they gave me paper hinges. They might have in a little pack. So that's the second wing. See, you put your little servo in there. I guess I just screw it in. I make my own holes. When you work with this balsa wood, so I don't know, I guess I gotta just screw my own holes and install my servos. Okay, so I got two wings, an elevator, and a rudder. I got the little wheel skirts. I gotta try to figure out how those going. They gave me little wheel skirties. So these are like, I guess this is fiberglass. But it's got the little niche there. And I guess you have to drill your own holes or something. So I got two of those. These you have to drill your own. I guess you have to drill your own holes. The bag of goodies. These just look like regular metal. I thought they would be like bent, but I guess I get a bag of parts. I see servo stuff, screws. So these are all the screws and wheels, rudder, and then the grand finale. The grand finale. Which is this part. I'm going to take it out. This is the fuselage. It looks sweet. Very light. I want to see what it looks like if I pop this off. Okay. So that's what that looks like. That's the canopy. It's held on by magnets. There's that hole right here. And it's kind of cut out. There is a way to slide the elevator through this. You just slide it through there. Yeah. And then it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice plane. And then it's got the motor mount right there. So I put my motor right there. Feel the aerodynamics. That was the unboxing of the General Hobby Extra 330 SC. RTF. Almost ready to fly version. This will be exciting. It'll be exciting to learn.